All right, dude and dudette, say what up. It's your boy, Dude Mungus. Watch this and then let me explain what happened.
The Dude Mungus 3000.
What do you want from me?
No monkey.
So it is tailor-made dyno day weekend, and we are making it do what it do. Racing the new 2025 Ducati V4. We're doing a pull, and right at the end of the pull, some way, somehow, my camera comes unlatched, and it goes flying, and it hits the ground at 200 miles per hour. It did not survive. This is the first time this has ever happened to me. I really can't tell you what failed or what happened. What I think, hypothetical, is I just didn't click the camera in as good as I should have, and it wasn't completely latched. So being in the tuck position, when I came up from the tuck, that was enough with the wind catching it to send the camera flying. But because of that, I lost all my footage for the weekend. Now, I had some footage in my phone. I also had a few people send me some clips for the weekend. And I'm going to make it do what it do. I'm going to do the best I can. It will not catch as much of the weekend as I want it to. But hey, you know what? At this point, it is what it is. Let's jump into tailor-made dyno day weekend. First, we're going to start off with the Friday night meet and greet, baby.
Oh, he done came on kill mode again. What up? What it do, man? Yeah, bro, them carbon wheels make it look completely different.
Oh yeah.
Completely different. Boy.
Now, I always like to do a meet and greet. I just like people to be comfortable with who they're going to be riding with and who's going to be running the dyno. I just like to make sure everyone is comfortable, because you want to be comfortable who you catch a lane with. You know what I'm saying? Just, oh, I can catch a lane with you. Maybe this guy, not so much. So I just want to make sure everyone is comfortable. That's why there always will be a meet and greet, so you can catch a vibe and figure out what you want to do and not do.
I know what people say. This bike is actually very nice in person, bro. Very nice. Mr. Famous over here.
Drill! all the way from Baltimore, bro. This is dope, bro. Super dope. I think it's Travis, Tyler. I forget the other guy. Please forgive me. It's my first time. I'm really bad with names. But it's T's. Everybody's T's, man. All the way from Baltimore. I feel like me and him are going to have some fun. And this R1 is going to have some fun. I'm sick of B on this guy. B, that's you. I know this video is not doing it justice, but goodness, looks good. Look at that. Ooh. Oh, I missed it. Yes, sir. Nice. We got this storm coming in, so we go get out of here.
Namaste.